wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best blenders under $50. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Priced at just $30, the Mueller Austria Ultra Stick is one of the most cost-effective handheld units around. Its blending arm can be replaced easily with the included whisk and is covered by a longer than average 2-year warranty. It offers 9 speeds and is perfect for pureeing soup. However, it is limited to a 1-minute duty cycle. At number 9, the heat-resistant 64-ounce jar with the decen 126C is larger than most others in its price range, and its 24,000 RPM maximum speed also exceeds much of the competition. It offers 5 settings to choose from in addition to 2 preset programs. It's equipped with titanium alloy blades and the pitcher locks into the base, but the motor does use some plastic parts. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Quite a bit different from a countertop model, the Epica 4-in-1 lets you mix, beat and grind various foods thanks to its immersion-style design and the included whisk and chopping bowl. Its small size makes it easy to store. It utilizes 2 speeds and comes with dishwasher-safe attachments. However, it can't blend ice. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blenders under $50, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with only on, off and pulse settings, the Oster Beehive is about as simple as they come. It's also as strong as you'll find in this price range, providing 600 continuous watts of blending power to get through hard foods with ease. It's great for crushing ice and boasts a 10-year warranty on the gear drive, but it is remarkably loud. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're short on space and time but don't want to give up your daily smoothie, the Magic Bullet Small sports a compact design that provides the capabilities of other models without the bulk and can be easily stored in any pantry or cabinet. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe and it's easy to find replacement blades. However, its capacity is limited. Halfway up our list at number 5. A fuse built into the Oster My Blend trips in the event of overheating and prevents restarting it for 15 minutes, helping to protect the motor and extend its life. The 20-ounce container doubles as a travel bottle and has a handy hook for carrying. It works very quickly and takes up little counter space. It's great at making protein shakes. At number 4, there's not much to the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher, which means it's both reliable and easy to use. Its glass jar holds up to 40 ounces and is thermal shock tested, so you can rest assured it won't shatter even with years of use. It offers a peak power of 700 watts and a 3-year warranty. It's one of the most affordable options. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Even though it's one of the best performing immersion models around, the braun multiquick 505 still makes the cut as an affordable appliance. Its bell-shaped end is contoured to create a vortex and ensure that every bit of food is liquefied. It includes a whisk attachment and a soft grip handle, and it's especially easy to clean too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blenders under $50, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, one of the most powerful personal-sized models on the market, the Nutri Ninja Pro BL456 uses patented blade technology and a 900-watt motor to break down foods with a simple manual pulse setting, so there's no programming or speed selection necessary. It comes with 18 and 24-ounce cups and is able to chop seeds and nuts. It's excellent for pureeing vegetables. And coming in at number 1 on our list, innovative reversing blade technology gives the Oster Design for Life the ability to chop dry foods without bogging down. Its rugged drive mechanism is covered by a 10-year limited warranty, while the entire unit is backed by a 5-year satisfaction guarantee. It features a 6-cup capacity, a 20-ounce blend and go attachment, and a low and high-speed pulse. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blenders under $50, or simply click beneath this video.